Hello friend, in this video lecture we are going to learn third article Newton formula for interpolation. The given set of n plus 1 values, that is x0, y0, x1, y1 up to the term xn, yn of x and y, and it is required to find y of x if polynomial of nth degree such that y and yn of x agree at or tabulated putting x is equal to x0 plus ph and p is equal to x minus x0 upon h. Then write the formula yn of x is equal to y0 plus p of del y0 plus p into p minus 1 upon 2 factorial del square y0 plus p into p minus 1 p minus 2 upon 3 factorial del cube y0 plus p into p minus 1 up to the term p minus n minus 1 upon n factorial del raised to the power n y0, and which is Newton forward difference interpolation formula. And second is backward formula, and that is yn of x is equal to yn plus p into backward del yn plus p into p plus 1 upon 2 factorial del square yn plus p into p plus 1 p plus 2 upon 3 factorial del cube yn plus p into p plus 1 up to p plus n minus 1 del raised to the power n yn upon n factorial, where p is equal to x minus xn upon h, and which is Newton backward difference formula for interpolation. Then we see some example of Newton formula for interpolation. First example is find the cubic polynomial which take the following value y of 1 is equal to 24, y of 3 is equal to 120, y of 5 is equal to 336, and y of 7 is equal to 720. Hence, or otherwise obtain the value of y of 8. First write the given set of values. Y of 1 is equal to 24, y of 3 is equal to 120, y of 5 is equal to 336, y of 7 is equal to 720. We write table as x, y, del square, del q. Here x0 is equal to 1, x1 is equal to 3, and x3 is equal to 5, 7, x0, x1, x2, x3, and y0 is equal to 24, y1 is equal to 120, y3 is equal to 336, and y4 is equal to 720. Then difference between these two is 96. Difference between these two is 216, and difference between these two is 384. Then difference between these two is 120, and difference between these two is 168, and difference between these two is 48. Here x is equal to 1 and h is equal to 2, means difference between these two value is 2, therefore difference is h is equal to 2. Then find x is equal to x0 plus ph, and we know p is equal to x minus x0 upon h, that is x minus 1 upon 2, and we know that the forward Newton forward difference formula y of x is equal to y0 plus p del y0 plus p into p minus 1 upon 2 factorial del square y0 plus p into p minus 1 p minus 2 upon 3 factorial del square y del cube y0 and that next term is 0. Put the value here. Y0 is equal to 24, that is given, and plus p into del y0, this value is del y0, that is 96, and plus p into p minus 1 upon 2 factorial and del square y0, that is 120, plus p into p minus 1 p minus 2 upon 3 factorial and del cube y0 is equal to 48, and then put the value of p is equal to x minus 1 upon 2. Putting this value, 24 plus x minus 1 upon 2, 96, plus x minus 1 upon 2 into x minus 1 upon 2 minus 1 and divided by 2, 120, plus x minus 1 upon 2, x minus 1 upon 2 minus 1, x minus 1 upon 2 minus 2 upon 6, 3 factorial म्हणजे 6, and 48. After calculating, we get 24 plus 48 x minus 1 plus x minus 1 upon 2 x minus 1 minus 2 upon 2 plus 8 into x minus 1 upon 2 x minus 1 minus 2 upon 2 x minus 1 minus 4 upon 2, and that is equal to 24 plus 48 into x minus 1 plus 15 into x minus 1 x minus 3 plus x minus 1 x minus 3 x minus 5. After calculating, that is 24 plus 40x minus 48 plus 15 x square minus 4x plus 3 plus x minus 1 x square minus 8x minus plus 15. Then after calculating 24 plus 48x minus 48 plus 15x square minus 60x plus 45 plus x cube minus 8x square plus 15x minus x square plus 8x minus 15, and then after calculating this term we get x cube plus 6x square plus 11x plus 6, which is the cubic polynomial, which is required cubic polynomial. And then in this problem we find the value of x8. Put x is equal to 8 in above equation. This is equation number 1. In equation 1, then we get y of 8 is equal to 8 cube plus 6 into 8 square plus 11 into 8 plus 6. After calculating, value of y8 is equal to 990. Second problem. Using Newton forward difference, formula, find the sum Sn is equal to 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube up to the term n cube. First, write the solution. Your solution, and write Sn is equal to 1 cube plus 2 cube up to the term n cube. Then del Sn is equal to Sn plus 1 minus Sn, that is n plus 1 cube. That is the equation number 1. Then find del square Sn. Del square Sn is equal to del Sn plus 1 minus del Sn. Here del Sn plus 1 is equal to n plus 2 cube minus n plus 1 cube. And after cubing this equation and this equation, we get del square Sn is equal to 3n square plus 9n plus 7. That is equation 2. Then find del square Sn plus 1, that is 3 into n plus 1 square plus n into n plus 1 plus 7. Putting here n is equal to n plus 1. Then 3 into, taking the square, n square plus 2n plus 1 plus 9n plus 9 plus 7. After calculating, this value is equal to 3n square minus 15n plus 19. Then find the del cube Sn. Del square Sn plus 1 minus del square Sn. And putting this value of del square Sn plus 1 means this value, and del square Sn is equal to this value, means putting value of equation number 2 and 3, then we get 6 into n plus 2. Then del raised to the power 4 Sn is equal to del cube Sn plus 1 minus del cube Sn. And putting the value of del cube Sn plus 1, that is equal to 6 into n plus 1 plus 2 minus 6n plus 12. After calculating, this value is 6. That is the equation number 4, and this is 5. Then del raised to the power 5 Sn is equal to 0 and del 6 Sn is equal to 0, like this. Then putting this, put n is equal to 1. Put n is equal to 1 in equation 1, 2, 3, 4. We get S1. S1 is equal to 1. Del S1 is equal to 8. Del square S1 is equal to 19. Del cube S1 is equal to 18, and del raised to the power 4 S1 is equal to 6. And here h is equal to 1, x0 is equal to 1, and x is equal to n. Then p is equal to x minus x0 upon h is equal to n minus 1 upon 1, that is n minus 1. By Newton forward formula, Sn is equal to S1 plus n minus 1 del S1 plus n minus 1 n minus 2 upon 2 factorial del square S1 plus n minus 1 n minus 2 n minus 3 upon 3 factorial del cube S1 plus n minus 1 n minus 2 n minus 3 n minus 4 upon 4 factorial del raised to the power 4 Sn. Put this value 1 plus n minus 1 18 plus n minus 1 n minus 2 upon 2 19 plus n minus 1 n minus 2 n minus 3 upon 6 18 plus n minus 1 n minus 2 n minus 3 n minus 4 upon 24 into 6. After calculating, this value is equal to this is 8. 1 plus 8 into n minus 1 plus 19 by 2 into n square minus 3n plus 2 plus 3 into n square minus 3n plus 2 into n minus 3 plus 1 by 4 n square minus 3n plus 2 into n square plus 7n plus 12. After calculation, we get the value is equal to n raised to the power 4 upon 4 plus n cube upon 2 plus n square upon 4. Then taking 1 by 4 common, and then n raised to the power 4 2n cube plus n square, and taking n square common, then 1 by 4 n square into n square plus 2n plus 1, and that is 1 by 4 n square into n plus 1 whole square, that is Sn is equal to n into n plus 1 upon 2 whole square. This is the value of Sn. n. Then we see the next problem, that is the value of x and sin x are given in following table. Here the problem number 3. Value of x and sin x is given in following table. X sin x. X is equal to 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Value is 0.2588190, 0.3420201, 0.4226183, 0.5, 0.57356764, 0.6427876. Determine the value of sin 38 by using Newton backward difference formula. First write the table or difference table. Difference table is write the solution and difference table. X sin x del square del cube del raised to the power 4 and del raised to the power 5. Here x is equal to 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, and sin x is equal to 0.2588190, 0.3420201, 0.4226183, 0.5, 0.57356764, 0.6427876. Difference between these two, that is del, first del is 0.083211. Difference between these two, 0.08059882. This is 0.07738117, and this difference is 0.07356764, and this difference is 0.069211. Then this difference is minus 0.00262009. This is equal to minus 0.003265 minus 0.003805, and this difference is minus 0.004365. Then this difference is equal to minus 0.0006136. This difference is minus 0.00058 0.88, and this difference is 0 minus 0.00559930. Then this difference is 0.000248, and this difference is 0.000289, and last is 0.000041. This is del 5 yn, this is del 4 yn, del 5 yn, this is del 4 yn, this value is del cube yn, this value is del square yn, this value is del yn, and this value is yn, and this is xn. Then by using Newton's backward formula and find this value, here difference is 5, therefore h is equal to 5, xn is equal to 14, and x is equal to 38. X is equal to xn plus ph. Here p is equal to x minus xn upon h, and here x is equal to 38 minus 40 divided by 5, and that is equal to minus 0.4. This is the value of p. Then by first write the formula of Newton backward formula. Y of x is equal to yn plus p del yn plus p into p plus 1 upon 2 factorial del square yn plus p into p plus 1 p plus 2 del cube yn upon 3 factorial plus p into p plus 1 p plus 2 p plus upon 3 factorial del raised to the power 4 yn plus p into p plus 1 p plus 2 p plus 3 p plus 4 upon 5 factorial del 5 yn. Then put this value 0.64 by this table. Putting the value of this, yn is equal to 0.6427876 plus minus 0.4 into 0.0692112 plus minus 0.4 into minus 0.4 into minus 0.004652 upon 2 factorial plus minus 0.4 minus 0.4 plus 1 minus 0. Plus 4 plus 2 upon 3 factorial into minus 0.005599 plus minus 0.4 minus 0.4 plus 1 minus 0.4 plus 2 minus 0.4 plus 3 upon 4 factorial into 0.0000289 plus minus 0.4 minus 0.4 plus 1 minus 0.4 plus 2 minus 0.4 plus 3 minus 0.4 plus 4 upon 5 factorial into 0.00000 means 5041. After calculating the value of sine 38 is equal to 0.6156145226. This is the value of sine 38. In this video lecture, we see backward Newton backward formula and Newton forward formula and problem of these two formula. Thank you.